from different culture, different religions, and outside India and inside India too. As in India, where the people of different diversity, different culture, different religions were living, so it is not necessary that if you go in Maharashtra and any different state, the people have their own language. So all of them though are not speaking Hindi. Even if you go 20 kilometers apart, then the people speak their own language. And if you raise the questions, why not Hindi, then they started a conflict and dispute between them. So English is a common language that is spoken by everybody, and it helps you and it makes you confident while speaking, and also boost up your confidence, critical thinking and logical thinking. And you can internationally when there is a job interview or anything, which is nowadays only the people are getting jobs when you are good in speaking. You are confident while speaking. So in job interview, English is very important. English play a very important role as for international diplomacy of international diplomacy jobs and any other field. English makes you confident while speaking, and people will listen you. In today's life, where everything is in English, in books, magazine, even the movies that you have seen, which are from different countries, which are all available in English. So you should have to learn English and have to speak English. So start from today makes you the better learner. There is nothing late. If you start in this age, that is very good for you. Also, when you go outside Bihar or any other state, English play a major role to communicate with everybody. Because English is spoken by a lot of people, millions of people in India or outside India internationally. It is the best way to communicate when you travel to different state, different country or different states. English play a very important role to communicate with any person. So there is no dispute or language barrier between the people if you know English, because it is the only medium to communicate with everyone. So I think you should start learning English, and nothing is late. If you start from today, you will be a better speaker. Thank you so much.
Next.
Hi everyone, my name is Priyanshu and my topic for today is the role of English. The English is a global language spoken by billions of people